Assalamualaikum everybody. Today I have a new doll. Let's check it. Now first, Mommy, you are sitting on the scissors. So let's open it. Wow, I love this doll. I was waiting for it to open it. First, let's open this tape. Like this. One tape and it's okay. Just a tape. So now I'm going to open it. I have to open this. Woo! Oh. Jumps on the cycle.
What this doll is? Okay, it's on the cycle. And these are the things, and this is the doll having the big hair.
Yeah. Doll. Oh, she has a beautiful cycle with her seat. Oh, she's so beautiful.
Show me.
See? She has long hairs too. She's so beautiful.
This is your doll.
Yeah. She's so pretty. You see? And she also has her cycle with it. It also has a stand. We can stand it. And here somebody can sit. And she can sit on the back. And then she can ride.
No, make this doll your sit.
See, she's looking so beautiful with the sensor. And her hands are so beautiful.
Okay, look at me. Are you happy?
Yes, so happy. And she also has this little
Mohammed, what do you have in your hand?
guy.
What it is doing?
Guy.
Its eyes are rotating. Wow. It's slip. What is in your hand?
Guy.
Right? Wow, it's lighting. Okay, put it here. Put it here. How it moves? How it moves? Tell me. Mama, I want to make your one video.
I'll give it to my dolls.
Wait a minute, what you have?
See, I have this. I'll
Why
show
is
you.
ये रोशनी सही नहीं आ रही?
See,
What is in your hand?
this. It's inside this. Now let's give it to my doll. Num 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 num.
What do you have?
I have chicken, crispy, but now my doll will eat it. So fatty.
What happened to this doll face? What you done? Fatma, what happened to this doll face?
Nothing.
And
She
this
just got the spikies. It's so yummy. Yeah. This is the big sister. This is the small baby. And this is the little big sister. And this is the friend. Friend. Friend should actually friend.
Okay. Now give this to your brother Mohammed. Okay?
Okay.
Give.
I have to give this to
Same
him.
to everybody.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
Okay.
I'm bringing one thing.